years ago. When I was studying high school.
What made it so hot?
I was hot, Doc, you know? Pretty, thin, sexy. Guys were after me all the time.
What made Jen so special to you?
I guess the word is loyalty, Doctor. That damn fool would go to the mat for me no matter what. Still would, I think. He went away.